On March 19, 2020, Japan Marine United Corporation delivered the first Maya-class guided missile destroyer, JS Maya, for the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. The ceremony took place at Yokohama Shipyard's Isogo Works facility. The new destroyer class is 170 meters long with a displacement of 8,200 tons and will operate with a crew of 310 sailors, and will be fitted with the AEGIS baseline J7 combat system and the Northrop Grumman ANSPQ-9B radar system. Maya-class destroyer will field the SM-3 Block 2A missiles for interception of short and intermediate range ballistic missiles, and will be capable of launching SM-6 anti-air missiles. The ships are equipped with 5-inch Mk-45 Mod 4 naval gun in a stealth-shaped mount, two 20mm phalanx close-in weapon, and one Type 07 vertical launch anti-submarine rocket.